Guys, if you're trying to get as much profit and conversion from your trades, then this video is for you. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so the one that you see on your screen is TradingView, and this is the normal view that you will get once you have signed in and logged in to your account using this tool. So as you can see, you have a lot of different candlesticks right there. Now, if you are going to be doing your own technical analysis, then this is what you could see. So the one that I am using is TheSignaler, and as you can see, guys, all right, now what I could see in my account with TradingView is this. All right, you see all types of shorts and long out there, okay, because I am using TheSignaler. Okay, so that is one thing that I'm gonna show you that how you could get this. So if you're new into trading, like, you know, cryptocurrency, indices, forex, and all that, you know for a fact that you need to know how to do technical analysis to make sure that you are getting the most profit out of all your trades, right? I mean, you're not gonna get all your trades profiting, but you want to make sure that the vast majority of your trades, you get at least, you know, wins out of that, right? Now, what I do is I have this, okay? So the one that I have is for Bitcoin because I am a cryptocurrency trader. I don't really trade in Forex, but again, it depends on you, on your preference, on which one you would like to use. Now, in trading, guys, okay, you do not just make profit when it pumps. You do not just make profit when a specific, say for example, Bitcoin pumps, like goes 100,000 and all that. You don't just make profit out of that. If you are an experienced trader, you know what I'm talking about. But if you're a new trader, you can make profit in cryptocurrency. All right, I want to talk about, you know, how I do my trading in cryptocurrency. You could also make profit when things go down, okay? When things go south, basically. All right, so here, so the one I'm showing it to you is Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin, as you can see here, it went down, right? I made a profit out of that. And let me show you. For this one, it says short. So basically, if you say short, so say for example, okay, the price of Bitcoin is at 82,000, let's just say 82,900, okay? If it says short, when you put in like, okay, I want to get like 80,000 going short. So if Bitcoin's price, market price goes down, then you make a profit out of that. Now, when you do long, on the other hand, it's just the opposite. When you say long, say for example, 82,800, right? When it goes 90,000 or 83,000, basically, you make a profit out of that because you're doing long trades, right? So when the price goes up, you make profits out of that one. So right, like this one, okay? So how much is this? So from this part right here, going here, okay? How much percentage is that? Like say this one right here, okay? So that is 14%, 14.48%. So that is positive. If you did short, then you made a 14.48% profit. Now, after, like say for example, you did take profit out of that one, right? So you got 14%. Even if you did not make the entire 14.48%, maybe you just had like 10%, right? Just because you don't want to take out the whole risk. So you got 10% out of that one. You got 10% profit, and then you waited for that, and then you got another signal, okay? This one from here going right here. Say, for example, this one, okay? Let's do that one. How much is this to this? That is an 18.55%. Say you did not, again, get that 18.55% because you wanted to just be conservative. Got 12%. So that means that with just that trade alone, you already made a good amount of percentage from your trades because you have these types of signals already, right? So that is very, very helpful. Now, if you're new, I mean, if you're a new trader, then you could, learn things like this one. You could also, I would still, of course, recommend that you study how to do technical analysis and then base it off. Like, do technical analysis and then compare it with what it says right here, or what the projected, or what, the projections from the signaler is. But if you are an experienced trader, then this is going to be very, very helpful, because you could already compare it with your technical analysis. See for yourself, which one, what am I going to do? Is it going to be a short? Is it going to be a long? Which is the part that I'm going to be taking profit, and what is my stop loss? So those type of things. Now, this is very, very helpful. Now, how can you get this? Okay, so in Telegram, guys, you just need to join the Signaler VIP. Now, the good thing about this one, guys, is they have a free trial, okay? Now, you could go ahead and click on the Signaler bot right here. So once you click on that, it will take to another window in Telegram. So again, the best part is that you have 1 day free trial. So you have 1 day for you to go ahead and check it out and see for yourself if this is something that would be very, very helpful in terms of you making more profit on your trades. All right, and then you could choose if you are going to get the monthly or the lifetime. The lifetime is the one that I have right now, because again, I'm making a lot of wins or profits from the trades that I am doing, because I have that. I have the signals that I use for TradingView using this signaler. Okay, so again, guys, make sure to do your own research. See for yourself if this is something that would be helpful to you. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And of course, so you could also make informed decisions on your investments. Hopefully, you're getting the most profit out of your trades already. I am going to try my best to get you more information that would be helpful to you getting more consistent in your trades in the future. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.